What is going on, guys? Welcome to next week's gold forecast. Before we start, if you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate that a lot. So, guys, I just want to apologize because I haven't been trading. I didn't trade last week. However, we did drop the forecast, and exactly what we wanted to happen did happen. I've just been committing a lot of time away from Discord and away from the Telegram to focus on optimizing the funded lab with all of these prop firm changes. MT5 disappearing, MT4, all of the systems need rebuilding and recreating. And I'm in the middle of building another EA. And this happened at the worst time because I just dropped the crypto lab. I was in the middle of dropping the companions because the funded lab was working, running like a steam train. And then we had all of the prop firms get flipped upside down. So it flipped the funded lab upside down. So the time I did have to commit to the other parts of the business and also trading, it's just been taken away from me. So next week, I will have more time to get on the charts. I'm going to try drop more trades. The thing is, when I'm away and I'm focusing, I'm not actually looking at the gold chart. So I miss, a lot of the opportunities. But next week, I'll make sure that I have my second screen next to me. And so I've got a lot done this week as well. I've got a lot done for the funded lab side. So I'll make sure that next week I'm looking at it and we can catch their moves. Because again, there's nothing more frustrating than when you're waiting for something to happen and you look at the screen and it happened 5 minutes ago and you was waiting 3 hours. And it happens so much when you're focusing, on other things. So I just wanted to give you a quick heads up. That's where I've been, just been so busy, flat out, morning till night, working on the funded lab. So let's jump over onto the gold chart here, break down what can we see. Gold is absolutely flying. You see here, look, she pushed through. She made this reversal pattern last week that we actually broke down and wanted to see, and she pushed all the way up to this high. So you see here, actually, that's not the weekly. Oh, it is the previous weekly. No, it's not. The weekly high was there. But the monthly candle here closed bullish. Sunday. No, this was, it was beginning of the month. I'm getting confused with my dates there. So you see here at this high, price goes bullish again. We are bullish overall on the monthly. So you see here, bullish impulse leg. And now we're breaking this high. So if we actually close above this all-time high on gold on the monthly, this month, we've created a new high, which is fucking sick because then that'll set a new low. The last time we had a new low on gold that gave a new high was in March 2020. Crazy. And now we might get a new high in March again right here, which will give us this trading range to look for continuations. A much cleaner range, actually, if this closes all the way up here, than this big consolidating mess on the monthly time frame. Well, let's jump down to and we can see here, obviously, big engulfing candle on the big bullish engulfing candle on the monthly time frame right now, pushing up. But I want to see next week, we've got this level here. I'm going to look for a pullback and a continuation on the weekly. But let's jump on the weekly so that we can see what's going on. So again, we need to mark up our zones of liquidity. Previous monthly low. Don't really need to mark that up because I doubt that price is going to go all the way down there this week. But it could. Okay, so let's mark up our, delete that one as well so people don't get confused. There we go. So we've got liquidity here, beginning of the week. If we see price push up, take liquidity, what we're going to expect? Price to push down here. This is going to be the first zone that we're going to look for them continuations. Continuations. If price breaks below here, we're going to be looking for somewhere, price to come down here and close this gap. So that's what I'm looking for going into next week. Or, price, if it doesn't take the high, it could pull back straight away. There's literally these 4 things that price can do at the beginning of the week. Or, very unlikely, it could just open up and not go anywhere and just do this the entire week. But you could. But this is what I want to see. If we take that high out at the beginning of the week, we've got a high probable chance that we're going to come down and retest this zone here. If we, open up, we don't take that high, it's going to be a lower probable trade. I don't want to take the sell if it hasn't taken the high because price loves shooting for liquidity. So if we don't take the high first, I'll wait for the price to get here and then boom, I'll look for buys from here, take price up. If then price breaks below here, and this is the same for both scenarios. If we take this high out, we break below here, I'll look for sells. These are our key levels. So if we break down, break and retest up. If we fake this level, obviously looking for buys up. That's what we're looking for. So if we go down onto the daily time frame, let's have a look at the levels here. it's same levels we're going to be using. So just clear up some of this, make it a bit neater. So liquidity up there. How far are we from that liquidity? If we're not far, 200 pips there. So we are quite far away. I will actually look to trade up to that liquidity on the lower time frame if we get confirmation. It depends where Asia is going into Monday morning, pre-London. So mark out the previous daily low. So we've got liquidity here. You see, this is a nice zone for a buy. So regardless of what price does, if it fakes the high here, comes down, boom, we're going to look for here for buys to back up. If we fake this low, or sorry, if we fake this buy or we get invalidated here and we break below, we're going to look for sells down to this level here. Got another level you see here. Very nice. And that level will be the level then that we look for either buys up or break and sells, break and retest. Well, break and sells, same thing, down to this level here. Very nice. Super clean going into next week. 4 hour. Again, what have we got? 4 hour, same thing. So that's all we're looking for. It's a little bit messy up here. The first key level I want price to reach is obviously up here. We have got 200 pips though, so it's not like it's just 20, 30 pips away. We can wait for that, but I would like to trade up to that if we get confirmation, because this could be a very nice move up here, collect that liquidity, and then price sells off down to these levels. And that's exactly what I'm waiting for. I'm going to expect. What we've got here, so we've already got actually reversal confirmation here. So we've got this big engulfing, price pushed up. And I mean, it's a little bit too big to take a sell. Even if we took a swing sell, risk reward's not very good. And price is really, really bullish. And that would be a risky trade. Because look, you get these engulfings, price fakes it, engulfings, price fakes. It happens all the time when you're trading the retracements on gold. So that's why you really want to see confirmation from a key level before selling. Otherwise, you know, chances are you just get smashed. So with this, you just, you know, and again, there's not really any buy confirmation here either. On the 1 hour, let's put the session indicators on. So we've got our levels. We're expecting the same thing on both. 30-minute, you see, look, we've got the 30-minute low here. The price also hasn't broken below yet. We've got no candle closes below there. You know, so while we're above here, the 30-minute is still bullish. So what we can look at is this level. We've got a level here that we can look to trade up to the highs, break these levels down. If we have Asia sitting somewhere around here, break and retest, we can look to trade up to that liquidity here. I've got a nice supply zone there, so we would be looking to take some profit in here. We'll trade up to that because we might get a reaction for the sell there and it might not take the liquidity. So it's nice, 60, 70 pips there. So we get confirmation there. We could cover the high as well. Take the sells. But I want to look to buy up to there first. Buy up to there. 30-minute confirmation like that. Boom. That's what I'm expecting. And then this level up here to go down. And that's it. Just got to see what happens, guys. So thank you for watching. As I say, I will be back on the charts more next week. And let's get some momentum going again in the Telegram signals group, guys. One thing. So remember, guys, we've got a few offers here. We've got the companions, which are sick. If you're looking for a automated day trading solution with proven manual strategies, or not even day trading, excuse me, swing trading as well, and scalping, taking impulse entries, guys, we've got the complete solution here. These bots are sick. They've been built based on manual trading logic, and they've been built to help you understand what the robot's doing, help you understand the confirmations, help you understand the risk management. Exactly what it says on the tin. Day trading companion. It is your companion on the charts. It's going to help you with the trading. It's going to help you with the psychology, the risk management, and you know, make sure you're really taking high probable entries and that your risk is managed. And we also have the Funded Lab, the automated prop firm passing and payout process, guys. This is sick. I'm in the middle of also rebuilding this and optimizing it for the current market changes, because that's what we do. We don't run away when there's a problem. We fucking run into the storm. So, hey guys, got any questions, post down below. And have a good rest of your Sunday. And let's get ready to smash it next week. Bosh!